The Hydroviv Underwater Water Filter. Do you want an undersink filter that is customized for your specific location's water quality? Well, that's exactly what Hydroviv Water Filter Systems offer. When your order is placed, the shipping zip code is used to create a filtration system that is optimized for your city's water conditions. This means you're guaranteed to get the best tasting water straight from the tap. The Hydroviv undersink water filters carry NSF certifications and are independently tested to remove hundreds of contaminants, including arsenic, lead, chromium-6, volatile organic compounds, chlorine, industrial chemicals, and many more. The filters have a long life of 6 months, where you can subscribe to save 25% and have them automatically shipped to your door. Easy to install, the Hydroviv connects to any faucet's standard 3/8-inch cold water line. The installation is a DIY process that takes only 15 minutes. And since the system is 6 inches wide by 14 inches high, it can be easily mounted under any sink without getting in the way. Hydroviv undersink water filters come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the housings and the hardware come with a 5-year warranty. Here are the pros: customized filtration system for your city's water, filters hundreds of contaminants, independently NSF certified, easy installation, takes only about 15 minutes. There's just one con: you need to replace filters every 6 months, but you can save by getting a filter subscription. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.